What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're up at Mountain Creek again, about to hit South Peak. It is December 28th, 29th, Tuesday. I'm meeting up with my boy Ethan Silver and a couple of his buddies. I'm gonna catch up with them on the mountain because I'm running a little late today, but hey, we're here and it's gonna be sick. I'll give you guys a conditions update when I get up there, but first I just want to say I'm trying to hit 1,000 subs before the end of this winter. So if you're not already subscribed, I'm uploading daily videos during my winter break, and I'd really appreciate it if you smash subscribe for me, so that way I could reach that goal by the end of this winter. So before we waste any more time, let me get my stuff on and head up the mountain. All right, we're on the lift.
Oh, this guy's good.
Ethan's here. We got Silver surfing snow. The boy, look at the GoPro. You know he's recording.
Oh,
we got Connor in the walrus suit. Aiden. Anyway, go check out their channels. I'll have them linked in the description. He just hit 1,000 subs a few weeks ago. It was sick.
Yes, sir.
I'm trying to get to 1,000 subs, so you better subscribe right now.
Go subscribe, boys.
Thank you. Let's jump into some riding, boys. Conditions look terrible, by the way. Everything sounds icy.
Awful.
But it is early. The sun is rising. Things will get soft. We're chilling. Let's jump right into it.
Silver surfing snow on the mic.
Oh my God. What's up, bro? What's your name?
Yo, Jack.
Jack, thanks for watching, man.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. All right, not gonna lie, the vibes at Mountain Creek today are
Immaculate.
absolutely immaculate. I had like 2 people come over, say they're subscribed to me, and then this group of kids was like, yo, what are your channels? And they subscribed. So if you guys are watching, shout out to you. That's tight. Make your friends subscribe too, like force them. Not gonna lie, things are pretty icy up here. They've gotten rid of like 3 jumps. I'm kind of sad. And I'm just gonna film the boys for a couple runs and call it a day.
At the end of the day, it's night.
Back to snowboarding. Don't listen to me talk anymore.
You going up?
Yeah, I'm peacing out.
All right,
Sick riding with you.
Yes, sir.
Connor.
Dude, always good.
He's the best walrus around. Peace out. It's good to see you. Well, I forgot a beanie for the post-game interview today, so I look kind of whack. Pretty good day on the mountain. Conditions were not the best. Got to ride with my boys, Ethan, Connor, and Aiden. Connor being in the Walrus, always a classic, and it was just a fun time. We made the best out of some rough conditions, and even though the lift line looked pretty long, I'd say it was still manageable, probably about 10 to 15 minutes each time we waited. But I wanted to dip because my legs were pretty sore. So that's it from me for today. Make sure to tune in tomorrow for another daily video, and I appreciate you watching. And if you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, comment something interesting, and subscribe if you're new here. Thanks for watching. Peace.